everyone, welcome back our channel Speak with Indu. How are you all? I am good. I hope you all are good and improving every day and learning new things. Today is our day 3 of this speaking journey. Today we will talk in English. Don't afraid, just listen and repeat after me. With me, I can speak English. I am learning every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I will speak confidently. Very good. Say it again. I can speak English. I'm learning every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I will speak confidently. Let's start. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Where are you from? I'm from India. What is your name? My name is Indu. What are you doing? I am learning English. Hello? How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Indu. Where are you from? I am from India. What are you doing? I am learning English. Now I will tell you a story. There is a girl, her name is Anjali. She wants to speak English, but she is shy and she never practice. She afraid of making mistakes, so she never speaks. One day she decides to practice daily. She started to watch English videos and repeat again and started speaking in front of mirror. At first she makes a lot of mistake, but she does not stop. After some time she can speak English confidently. Now she says she is very happy and now she says I can speak. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I practice daily. Let's start our daily life few sentences. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm learning English. Do you practice daily? Yes, I practice every day. So move ahead. There is a boy. His name is Aman. He wants to learn English fast, but he is very lazy and he does not practice English every day, so he does not improves. He realized that practice is very important and he started practice daily. He started to speak with his friends and watch videos and repeat sentences daily. Slowly he improves his English and he able to speak confidently. Repeat after me. I practice daily and I improve myself. There is a girl, she tries to speak English. She feels sad, but she never gave up. She improves by her mistakes. She practices every day. After some time, she can speak confidently and people praise her. Repeat after me. I will never give up. I can speak English and I improve myself. Now it's your turn. Write in the comment section that I am learning English. I can speak English. And also write what are you doing. I hope you all like these videos. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.